Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In this video, you'll learn 40 essential phrasal verbs with clear, real-life examples to help you understand native speakers and sound natural in English. Let's get started.
Wake up. Wake up early. Wake up at 7. Wake up suddenly. Get up. Get up from bed. Get up early. Get up quickly. Turn on. Turn on the TV. Turn on the light. Turn on the computer. Turn off. Turn off the phone. Turn off the light. Turn off the engine.
Put on. Put on clothes. Put on a jacket. Put on shoes. Take off. Take off shoes. Take off clothes. The plane takes off. Pick up the bag. Pick up the bag. Pick up English like a native. Pick up the phone. Drop off. Drop off a friend. Drop off a package. Drop off kids at school. Sit down. Sit down here. Sit down, please. Sit down quietly. Stand up. Stand up now. Stand up straight. Stand up quickly. Work out. Work out daily. Work out the answer. Work it out. Figure out. Figure out the problem. Figure it out. Figure out why.
Carry on. Carry on working. Carry on talking. Carry on learning. Give up. Give up smoking. Never give up. Give up easily.
Set up. Set up a meeting. Set up a business. Set it up. Look for. Look for keys. Look for a job. Look for help. Find out. Find out the truth. Find out later. Find out more. Hand in. Hand in homework. Hand it in. Hand in papers. Catch up. Catch up with friends. Catch up fast. Catch up on work. Fall behind. Fall behind in class. Fall behind at work. Fall behind others. Bring up. Bring up a topic. Bring it up. Bring up an issue. Talk over. Talk over the problem. Talk it over. Talk over lunch. Get along. Get along with people. Get along well. Get along together. Fall out. Fall out with friends. Fall out badly. Fall out over money. Make up. Make up again. Make up a story. Make up an excuse. Point out. Point out mistakes. Point it out. Point out details. Speak up. Speak up louder. Speak up in class. Speak up clearly. Shut up. Shut up, please.
Shut up now. Shut it.
Call back. Call back later. Call me back. Call back soon. Hang up. Hang up the phone. Don't hang up. Hang up quickly. Go out. Go out tonight. Go out with friends. Go out for dinner. Come back. Come back home. Come back soon. Come back later.
Get in. Get in the car. Get in quickly. Get in line. Get out. Get out now. Get out of bed. Get out safely. Check in. Check in at a hotel. Check in early. Check in online. Check out. Check out of a hotel. Check out this video. Check it out. Set off. Set off early. Set off on a trip. Set off together. Run into. Run into a friend. Run into trouble. Run into problems. Move in. Move in together. Move in next week. Move in soon. Break down. Car breaks down. Machine breaks down. Break down emotionally.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.